Hey parents and boys and girls. So this is going to be a video on how to sign up for Khan Academy. You should have received this video where I introduced you to Khan Academy, and here is the link. So what I did is I also sent your username and password to your individual Class Dojo message. So first you're going to do this. You're just going to go and click the link. You're going to go over here to log into existing accounts. Since I've already created an account, here you're going to go ahead and put your username, and I went ahead and put a fictitious person who's not in our um, classroom. And then your password is, everyone has the same password. Once you put in your username and password, log in. And don't worry about saving it. And go ahead and click the agreement that you're going to do, and then start learning. Now that you are in, you can go ahead and take a look at your assignments. So if you go to assignments, you'll see that we are working on geometry, as I said. And so you can go to the first lesson and you can start it. And you'll just go from here. So I hope that, and then you'll just be able to start looking at the different videos. They have answers, questions and answers after you do that. Okay. So I hope that helped.